Hey, hello guys, welcome to Radix Upgrade channel. So in this class we are going to discuss about the forms. Okay, so in the last class also we have discussed about the forms, but it is very simple form, right? But in this class we are going to discuss about the field set, about the legend, and some more tags. Okay, without any further delay, let's begin. Okay, so I will name this web page as form part 2. Okay, next what I'm going to do, inside the body I'm going to give one heading. I will write it as registration form. Any form you can create, either you can create the birth certificate form, anything. Okay, I'll begin with the form. Okay, see here you can see the difference. Okay, next what I'm going to do, have you guys heard about the word that is called as field set? See, here you can see the difference. Okay, here what I'm going to write here is, I'll write it as candidates information. Candidate information. See here, you can see. Next, I'm going to write about the label. Label, what I'm going to write? Label, I will be writing as for name. I will write it as, okay, name. Next, I'm writing input. Input type equal to text. ID equal to the same thing. It should be there, no? So that's why. Next, I'm going to put name equal to, okay, username. Should I put the placeholder here? I'll write the placeholder. Enter your name. If it is the compulsory part, then you have to put the compulsory part that is required, or else it's not required. Okay, fine. Next, what I need to do? I have to move into the next line to put me the another label, right? So what I'm going to put? Going to do the break tag. Okay. Next, I'm going to do again one more label. Okay, label. What I'm going to put here is email. Okay, email. Email. Next, input type equal to what? Email, right? ID equal to email, it should be. Name equal to user mail. Placeholder equal to you at gmail.com. Okay, is it required part? Compulsory, right? Okay, required. Then I'll put my break tag. Okay, candidate information is over. Next, what I'm going to put, I will write the number of the candidate. Okay, phone number. Hmm, number or phone number. Phone number. Okay. Next, input. Type equal to what number, right? ID equal to phone number. Name equal to user number. Placeholder is required. No. Okay. So I'll write it as required here. I'll put the break tag and I'll come back. Okay. So yeah. Um then should I put the date of birth and password? Okay. I'll put one more thing, that is password. Okay, password is not required. You know how to put the password, because in the last class, in the last session, I have told you how to put the password. What's the difference here? Type is password. Okay, then whatever you put for the same thing here it should be. Okay, only so much. I will putting one more thing, that is nothing but the date of birth. Okay, for what I'm going to put here, date of birth. Put type is nothing but what? Date of birth. Date of birth. What I am going to do here? Date of birth. I need to know the date, right? So date time local. I'll put here. First one. Okay. ID equal to same. DOP. Name equal to user birthday. Okay. Then is it required part? I guess it's not required. Okay. Now date of birth is over. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one more field set. Okay. I'm going to create one more field set where I'm going to put some of the preferences. Okay. Now I'm going to put one more field set. Field set. One more field set is over. Okay. Okay. I need to. Okay. Preferences. This is one more thing. And first I will be writing as gender. Okay. Gender. What should be the gender? For that I need to have the input type, right? Input type. What I'm going to put? One more new thing you're going to learn now. That is nothing but radio. What you mean by radio button? We are going to look now. Okay. Radio ID equal to, let me write it as male. Let me name it as gender. Okay. Gender. I will put one value, male. Next, label equal to, which should be same now. I told no, for and ID always should be same. I write it here, male. Okay. Male. You can see now. Okay. Next, what I'm going to put? I'm going to put one more button for female. Okay. So input type equal to radio I need, and ID equal to female. name equal to gender, value equal to female. Okay. Label I'm going to give it as female, and here I'm going to write it as female. See, now either you can choose this or you can choose this. Okay. This is called as radio button. Next, let me put it as, have you guys heard about kill section till today in any other forms? Let me teach you now. Have you guys heard about the checkbox? Checkbox. If not, you will see it now. Okay. C plus plus. Let me put one more. Okay. C plus plus. Only so much. I'll put the break tag. Okay. I will put one more skill. I will put one more skill. Type is nothing but what, checkbox. Then I'm going to create one ID. Let me create this time as Java. Okay, name equal to, I will putting all these things under the same name. Okay, value equal to, what is value? Value I will put it as Java only. Okay, I will put it as Java only. This need not be same. ID and value need not be same. Okay, for equal to ID and this thing should be same, right? So it's okay if you write this in the small here also. Java. Okay, I'll write the same thing for your Python also. Okay, Python also. Let me write Python. Python. One value I'm going to give Python. Python. Okay, I need to put the break tag now. Okay, skills C plus plus Java Python. Okay, the same thing you can do for the HTML also. Okay, another one I will write now. I'll write it as, okay, I'll write it as for country. Choose your country. Choose your country. Okay, so do I need to do insert the fields? Okay, it's not insert the field set, right? Okay, that's fine. Cool. Again, I need to put here break tag. Okay. One more break tag I will put. I need in again in the next line. Okay. So choose your country. So now what you are going to study is you are going to study about the select also, and also you are going to study about the this thing. What is that? Option is there. Okay. One more thing. Option is there. So that option tag also you are going to study it now. Okay. Let's begin. Under country, you are going to learn about the select. Okay. Select ID. Okay. One second. What's happening here? Why it's not come? Okay, I need to put here break tag once again. Okay, break tag. Okay, select ID. Okay, one second. Select select is one tag. Okay, select is one tag. So what I'm going to do is select name equal to what I'm going to give it as country, and ID I'm going to give it as also, let me give it as country only. Okay, select. I need to select certain things. Okay, I just need to select certain things. What I'm going to do is I will put one option. What does it do now? It will put certain value. India. Okay, India. Put it as